Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you.
I have a late birthday, always so much younger, but I feel so old. I have a late birthday, born in the summer, but I feel so cold. All the people I know start to seem like adults, and it's hard to be a person when
Happy
you can't
birthday,
grow
Emmy.
up. I have a late birthday.
Take it.
Don't forget to wish me happy birthday.
We are here, ichiran.
Leo, baby, don't you cry. Too young to vote, too young to die.
So hey friends, so we are at ichiran ramen and we're celebrating Noel's birthday, but she's on the other side. She's 12. Three. Hey friends, so we are at ichiran ramen today. It's like 1 p.m. and we're having lunch here because it's Noel's birthday at the case side. Noel's 12. Shout out to Emmy. Yay, subscribe to her. It'll be linked down below. We're just waiting for her. Itadakimasu.
Do I, all your friends have moved on with the time.
All done. So it is now 1:31 and I just finished eating and I'm in the bathroom right now because it's like loud outside, but yeah, it was really good. I really prefer the original one, which is in Japan, because we've eaten in ichiran before about like 2 years ago. So yeah, but it's pretty good. I didn't get to finish completely like the soup because it was so rich. Like I chose rich, which was a bad decision by the way, because it made me feel so sick. And that's what I recommend. Do not put rich because you'll get like tired of eating it. Anyway, I'm gonna put on some lip tint and I'll be right back. Before that, let me show you my outfit of the day. Wait, I think this top is from Green Hills and then my belt is from Gucci. Pants from Uniqlo, shoes from Adidas.
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life, fall in love 삶은 사람의 상처받고